Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my corner of the world. Today we have a 954 Mari reaction. He has become one of my favorite nerdcore artists recently. Like every single track he puts out, he's just been talking his talk. And honestly, I can't disagree with some of the stuff that he says in there. Like he's really speaking, he is speaking to people. And by the way, before we hop right into this, there is some type of construction work or whatever going on outside, so I apologize if you hear any of that in this video. But anyway, he has done a song for Jujutsu Kaisen, and it's called Sound Like Death. That's very ominous. He released this a few days ago, but I'm just now getting to it. I was debating whether or not I should react to it, and I, in the end, decided why not, I should. So, we're gonna hop right into this. And I'm not really expecting anything other than maybe just like tough bass or anything like that. Like hype up energy, that's all of what I expect going into a Mari track. But not wasting any more time, if you want to check out this song Interrupted, I will leave a link in the description for you to check out the original. But let's get into it. Bass already.
Why does it sound like? Why does it sound like death? How does it sound like? How does it sound like death? Don't it just sound like? Don't it just sound like death? You know it just sound like? Don't it just sound like death? Lost in the sauce, never mind my step. Drum for the knock and it sound like death. Scared of the thoughts inside my head. Heart for the throb and it sound like death. Fear and the doubt, get it out my head. Tossing my thoughts and it sound like death. Fear and the doubt, get it out my head. Tossing my thoughts and it sound like death. Damn man, walk.
Hold up, let me go back and rewind that for a second.
My head, heart for the throb and it sound like death. Fear and the doubt, get it out my head.
Fear and the doubt, get it out my head. Good line. Very good line. I had fears and doubts about just doing this YouTube stuff in general, and honestly, not gonna lie, I still do. I still do have my fears and doubts about it, but I'm gonna stick with it. But he is right. We should learn to try to get these fears and doubts out of our head, because with this whole thing of sounds like death, I think it's more of a metaphor for, like, at least in this specific case, for me, it would be like I'm kind of killing my dream before I've really even started it by planting in those fears and doubts, Like I said, Mari, he is talking.
Heart for the throb and it sound like death. Fear and the doubt, get it out my head. Tossing my thoughts and it sound like death. Fear and the doubt, get it out my head. Tossing my thoughts and it sound like death. Dead man walking. Dead man talking, you speaking your eulogy. Deads in my pockets, they itching to kill for. I got the Celtic muffle like Lil Bo. Don't got no motion and you bitches still bro. Pedal to the metal, I've been stepping with the steel toe. Rush with death at the pad, no Brillo. Right at the table like Jada and Willow. Bro trying to turn off.
Alright, bro. Alright, bro.
With death at the pad, no Brillo. Right at the table like Jada and Willow. Bro trying to turn on me, get turned to a pack, all 12, no he turns to a miss. Left, right, down in addition, it's
ooh, what is that? Is that a keyword?
Brinks on the rich side, how many lists get rolled up quickest? Y'all knew dude had to go up on the flip side. Why would you think he would turn up different? I'm not in need of your greedy spirit. I seen your true colors and you twist. Y'all sequins full of sequins, Brody. I be seeing through your BD vision. Now you stuck hating when you see me winning. Stuck with your circle, you CD spinning. Making rotten fruit when you branching off, cause your trust rooted in some CD villains. When the
he was talking mad heavy in that. Hold up.
I'm not in need of your greedy spirit.
I'm not a needy or greedy spirit. That one kind of speaks for itself. I've seen your true colors and you twisted. We always think that we know some of the people closest to us, like who they really are, the type of person that they really are, but in reality, we really don't. we really have no idea what other people are like around us. They could be incredibly twisted, and you just have no idea because the mask that they put on. He's talking.
Y'all sequence full of sequins, Brody. I be seeing through your BD vision. Now you stuck hating when you
I see through your BS basically.
Circle, you CD spinning. Making rotten fruit when you branching off, cause your trust rooted in some seedy villains.
The trust rooted in some
you don't care if
seedy
you in a
villains.
mansion or you hurt in the trench. I ain't never been a perfect person, but I'm usually working for my personal interest. Throwaway kinship, working on kingship. I'm royal flush, you stuck with triplets. Birds of a feather be flocking together. I'm past that color work above that wingtip. Lost in the sauce, never mind my step. Drum for the knock and it sound like death. Scared of the thoughts inside my head. Heart for the throb and it sound like death. Fear and the doubt, get it out my head. Toss in my thoughts and it sound like death. Don't it shit sound like death. Hey, the rappers who did it before better people than me, and I'm not gonna
This beat is going crazy.
I'm not putting on none, y'all jit better stay where the fuck y'all at. Twitter annoying me, doing like embroidery. Peep that thread, then I spun that cap. Lash out, win, tell 'em run that back. Gut turned in, better pump that pack. They trash you on the scene, then try to ask you for a fee. Then try getting with your friends. That shit is laughable to me. I was trying to test on bursting this bubble, it didn't seem passable to me. Up in the grade and I move like JUJUTSU, a whole different classes on the scene. Talk.
He talking. I've said that at least like 6 times in this video, but I can't get over it. Let me I gotta talk about that. Trash you on the scene, then try ask you for a feat. Now, I'm not in the music business, but I have seen like some of the beef, if you want to call it that, amongst some of the artists, not just really in this community, just in like music, in the music industry in general. From stuff that I've seen online, there are people constantly trashing one another, and then eventually they always go back to that same person that they trashed to ask for a feature or to ask them to do something with them. Like, no, bro, that's not how that works. You don't get to just trash me and then ask me to come work with you. Like, nah, get out of here. And then
try getting with your friends. That shit is laughable to me.
And then they try to get in with your friends. Like, they try to turn your friends against you, even though you're the one being trashed on. Like, snakes hitting the grass, bro.
Didn't seem passable to me. Up in the grade and I move like JUJUTSU, a whole different classes on the scene. Talk. Why does it sound like? Why does it sound like death? How does it sound like? How does it sound like death? Don't it shit sound like? Don't it shit sound like death? You know it shit sound like? Don't it shit sound like death?
Yeah, man, like I said, every track that Mari has been releasing lately, he has just been talking. Like, at face value, like, some of this stuff is just like basic common sense, right? Then, like, you look deeper, like, you look beyond some of the face value stuff that he is saying, and like, to some people it would be like a gut punch, because like, you know who you are, right? Like, you know who you are. Like, basically what I got out of that entire track, which definitely did not disappoint, was just try to be aware of who your real friends are. Because you never know, you never really know the people around you. That's what I got out of that track. That was the huge takeaway for me. I really loved this song. He was doing his thing, and that beat went crazy. It was definitely as hype as I expected it to be, and that keyboard that was going on in the back was really sick too. But yeah, great job, Mari. Keep talking that talk, bro. If you guys liked this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.